Alright, robot, this is the video of installing this vintage little garden gate. I think it looks pretty good out here. It actually looks like it belongs here. The intended purpose of this was to block off the vision of this, which is a bunch of horse poop. Horses gotta poop, I know. Anyway, the project was clear off enough vegetation to get these posts installed. Make sure that they're all lined and all that so that this door will swing shut and neatly close, which it does. And then reinforce it so it doesn't slip over time. All in all, I think it actually looks pretty good. It could use a little decor in order to be Pinterest worthy. But I'm calling it good. Anyway, this is the story of how this happened. Alright, robot, this is how this is going to go. This is the side with the latch in it. And we're going to mount it on the front of this, something like that. And I'm going to use this as my level along the bottom. I'm going to put my post holes in such a way that the front of this thing matches up with this. Now luckily this thing is well enough built, I think, that it'll line up physically. And if not, I'll compromise and improvise like I do. I'm thinking that's the problem, or the project at the moment. Alright, robot, this is my trial fitting to decide where I'm going to put these two fence posts. And this is about where it's going to be. This thing itself is going to have to be about 2 inches taller in order for it to fit in there, but that's not going to be heartbreaking. This thing is about where it's going to be. So now I'm going to mark those two spots and dig my fence posts in back of that. Put them right in there and they're going to be bueno. Future holes, one right there, one right there, the outside edge of which will be right where that arrow is. I'll nail these 2x next to the right end of the fence post and we'll be in business, except for this whole thing is going to be about 2 inches taller because I'm going to put some more wood under that to prop it up a little bit. Alright, robot, this thing here, from here to here is 1800. This one here, from here down to here is 1800. That means my hole only needs to be this deep. 360. it is. Here's 360. I declare bueno. Now let's drill out the other one about that deep and we'll be in business. Alright, robot. Looks like we're looking pretty good. Our posts are lined up with the spots roughly that we decided on early. They're roughly the same height. And they're in line with the back of that place where the door is going to shut. I think we're in business. Now what I am going to do is go through a little extra effort to try to secure the post onto this post here, just because I can. That'll help me stability wise. And then it'll be time to put the front on, and then it'll be time for declaring bueno. Alright, robot, here we go. Door goes there, pole goes there, other pole goes here. The wall will face along this face right here. This will latch up perfectly. Now I got to work on the 2 inches higher bit, because you know this does need to be about 2 inches higher. Also, I'm going to put the concrete stuff in these post holes now, just to get it to firm up. Take a long greasy lunch. This stuff is some kind of paver cement. I put on here because I don't have any ready mix. I guess I could find ready mix. My guess is that this will hold these posts sturdy enough. I'm going to put some more dirt around the bottom of it. And that's going to be good enough, I think. We'll see. Here's what I ended up with. It's not what you'd call what I'd like it, but it's going to be sufficient for the job here until these posts get set up and I get bricks underneath it. Now I'm going to put the wall in here and try to get it into place. I got it pretty close. I'm going to have to move it a little bit though. Not tragically. That looks pretty good to me. Now I'm going to screw this in at the place where it needs to be screwed in, which is right behind this spot here if I measured it right. And then I'll be in business. Really?